welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See more than 100 of reviews of this hotel. You can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.3. It's the very good category. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 10 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. Booking or get more details about this resort, please check the description. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our